Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my newest looms to my loom collection. These are both looms from Cindy Woodcraft. Now this one is the small Afghan loom, half-inch gauge, and this one has 90 pegs on it. This one is the large Afghan loom, and let me see how many pegs it has. It has 100 pegs on it, and this is the 5/8 inch gauge. Now, to help you gauge exactly how big these things are, I've got the large 5/8 inch gauge, the adult large hat loom. So that is the largest hat loom they sell, and this is the Afghan loom. And this one has 53 pegs on it, and what did I say this had, 90? Yeah, this one has 90. So that's a huge difference, so it's awesome. This one right here, they're perfect to do, well, this one I'd say would be great to do like little throws, and this one would be great for baby blankets. For people who have trouble navigating the S shape, this gives you another option without, if you want something other than a long loom, or it's just really cool. I like it. You can do, I don't know, maybe do like a little sleeping bag, maybe these, do pillows or something. So there's really a lot of ideas going through my head for these looms, and I'm really glad that I was able to get them. So alright, everybody, leave comments in the comment section below of what you think, if you have these looms, what you think of them, and what you like to make out of them. If you have any comments, leave down there as well, or questions. Again, thank you for watching.